Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to bill the patient before the consultation. Under multiple stages of a patient visit, we will be able to bill the patient. So once the booking happens under the booked section, this option is available. When patient walks into the clinic, under my OPD section, this option is available. When the booking gets completed, that is after the consultation with the doctor, under completed section, this option is available. And in this video, we will see how to bill the patient before the consultation. First, we'll see under booked section and under my OPD section later. So let's go to queue. Let's click on booked. We have a patient here. This patient is booked for 3:15 p.m. for today. Let's say we want to bill this patient. We can just click on the patient name, and below we'll find under payment and billing, create receipt option. So we have to click on it. This is the receipt which needs to be filled. So in order to add a service, we can click on add services. Here we can type a service name. If it is already created, we'll be able to see the results like this. If a new service needs to be created, we can just enter the service name. If service is not reflecting, this means that we have not created any service. In that case, we can simply click on create. We can enter the amount and we can click on create service. As we can see, we have added a service. Let's say we want to add one more service. We can just click on the service button, add service button, and we can follow the same process. So let's say we want to add something that's already created. For consultation, so many services I have already created. So let's select one. Let's click on add. With this, we have seen how to add these services. Now let's say we want to provide discount to the patient. We can enter the discount value here. Let's say we want to give 50 rupees as discount. We can enter the amount here and it gets auto calculated. But if we want to give discount in percentage, we just have to shift to the percentage icon which is next to rupees icon. And we can enter the percentage. So let's say we want to give 2% or something. We can just enter the value here. And below we can also mention the remarks if required. And under pay mode, we have multiple mode of payments available. We can select the method that the patient selects. And let's say patient partially pays through GPay and partially pays the amount through cash. In that case, we can just click on the add icon right side next to the pay mode. We have added two pay mode methods here. So one is UPI and the other one is cash. So let's say through UPI patient has paid 500 and through cash patient has paid 498. This way we'll be able to bifurcate and divide it. And we can click on create receipt. The bill is generated. Now if we want, we can send this bill to the patient over WhatsApp or SMS. The first option, send via WhatsApp to Riya Kumari, is through Eka Care. With the help of Eka credits, we can send it to the patient WhatsApp. And we have print and download option along with send via WhatsApp from my number. So the last option helps us to send the bill from our own WhatsApp to patient WhatsApp. Now this is completely free of cost. We can use this option if we want to send it to patient from our own WhatsApp. So let's click on done. With this, the billing is completed. We saw this under booked section. Now let us see how to bill the patient under my OPD section. So let's click on my OPD. Again, we have a patient here. Now we can click on the rupees icon here, or when we click on the patient name also, we'll be taken to the same page. We can click on create receipt and we can generate the bill. Both the ways will be taken to same page. This is where we'll be able to generate the patient's receipt. So the same flow can be followed here also. And this is how we'll be able to bill the patient before the consultation, be it under booked section when the booking happens or under my OPD section when patient directly walks into the clinic. Thank you for watching.